In this video, we will be diving into the world of crypto blockchain. If you're a beginner looking for an informative and easy-to-understand explanation of crypto blockchain, then this is the perfect video for you. So, what exactly is crypto blockchain? In simple terms, it is a decentralized digital ledger that records transactions on multiple computers rather than in a single location. It allows for secure and transparent transactions without the need for intermediaries like banks or governments. To understand how it works, think of it like a digital spreadsheet that is duplicated across a network of computers. Whenever a transaction is made, it is recorded on this spreadsheet and verified by multiple parties on the network. Once verified, the transaction is added to the previous block of transactions, creating a chain of verified and unalterable data. Crypto blockchain offers numerous benefits such as security, transparency, and decentralization. It eliminates the need for intermediaries, reducing costs and increasing efficiency. It also provides better transparency as every transaction can be verified, and it is secure as each transaction is encrypted. Crypto blockchain is an innovative technology that has the potential to revolutionize several industries. As a beginner, it is essential to understand the basics of crypto blockchain and its benefits. We hope that this video has provided you with the necessary information to kickstart your journey into crypto blockchain.